Hello, my darling BFF. How are you? So, here we are still in the Manila Ocean Park for their back to back All Star Bird Show and the Sea Lion Show. So, we are really excited to see the entertainment and attractions brought about by these smart birds and sea lions. So there are so many guests and visitors here, excited to see how they perform, especially the birds. There are different kinds of birds like eagle, parrot, and many more. So they displayed talent since their smartness. They can add numbers, um, identify shapes, and many more. So we are all excited really in uh, seeing how they perform their acts and entertain the visitors and the guests. So here we are. Let's see how this birds or this bird identify the shape. It's very entertaining. We really did enjoy the show. And now, here comes the Sea Lion show. So, this is also very entertaining. This is one of the attractions of the Manila Ocean Park because they are all so smart and they really help the gods in entertaining so many people. We are really enjoying the show. So this sea lions are all well trained and the trainer were also smart also. And the guests and visitors were really amazed and they really enjoy the show. So this sea lions showed different gestures like handshaking, um, smiling, of course, their skills in swimming, and the most amazing part there is when they dance. They really could perform a dance number amazingly. So they can show different dance strokes, dance steps, like the rock and roll and water ballet. So let's try to see their dancing prowess. So that's really amazing. So we are all entertained and we are very much happy and we enjoy the show. So this is really one of the attractions here in the Manila Ocean Park. So more videos will be uploaded and thanks for watching. God bless. Good day.